Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So lately I've been driving around in something a little bit different, and I haven't put anything up of it on the channel so far. As you can tell, it's been a little while between uploads. Trent and I have been pretty busy, but we've been meaning to get a video out of this for the last couple of weeks. I'm currently sitting in a fair bit of traffic, but I wanted to try and capture a bit of an in-car sort of drive of it. So let's go for a bit of a drive and see if we can get some good audio. So guys, what we're actually in right now is a 2002 Holden Monaro. You might be able to tell it's a Holden because the roof lining is sitting on my head, and it's one of the most common things to go in Commodores and Monaros. This particular car is powered by a 5.7 litre V8 LS1, and it has a 6-speed manual transmission as well. For those of you who've never been to Brisbane before, have a look at this. So, pretty comfortable daily drive of the Monaro. This one's been lowered and it's got some fatter wheels on it. It handles really well, heaps better than B series Falcons of the same era. I haven't driven a whole heap of Commodores, but if this is how they all drive, then I'll be pretty impressed actually. The only real mods done to this car are extractors, high flow cats, and a muffler delete. It sounds pretty good. Gotta love the sound of a V8. We're about to hit this tunnel. It's a good chance to give you guys an idea of what this thing sounds like, really. Hopefully there's not too much traffic so we can slow down and really get through the revs a little bit. Alright. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear it, but when you're decelerating, really crackly, really poppy. And if you give it a really good rev match on the way down, it sounds like a bloody V8 supercar. Guys, what I'm going to do, because I'm sort of sitting and just crawling through traffic, I'll grab a couple of pieces of footage that I've got from earlier on in the week, and I'll stitch them into this video so you can sort of hear what it's like from the outside. And I did do a walk around video as well, because you'll see that this thing's pretty special from the outside. It's not like your standard Monaro. Now, for those of you who don't know what a Monaro is and what makes it special, here in Australia, historically we've had two main manufacturers, local manufacturers, Ford and Holden, and we've had Falcons and Commodores. In the 60s, Holden started manufacturing, I'm going to butcher this here, so you guys will probably crucify me for it, but a two-door, essentially a two-door performance muscle car, and they called it the Monaro. There were a couple of different iterations of it throughout the 60s and 70s, and then it was sort of died off. When this prototype came out, there was such a, I guess, a bit of enthusiasm for the fact that Holden or HSV might make a two-door Commodore again, that they actually went ahead and put it into production. So this particular Monaro is called the V2 Monaro. Now, what makes it special is this has a different front end on it. So it's from a HSV Club Sport. You probably have never really seen one like this before, and you probably won't see another one again. So I wanted to show you sort of just a bit of a walk around of it. Right, I hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be plenty more to come shortly. Trent and I have got some big things in the works with cars, and we should have something pretty cool to show you guys over the next few days. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment, let us know what you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, see ya.